In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use reports in Smartsheet to view important information from one or multiple sheets in a single place. Start by opening the Browse panel in Smartsheet. Then click the Create button and select Report. You'll be asked to choose between a row report and a sheet summary report. For most projects, a row report is the best option because it lets you pull rows from multiple sheets. Next, select the sheets you want to use as your data source and click Next. Choose the columns you want to display in the report, such as task name, owner, status, or due date. After that, set up any filters you need. For example, you can show only tasks that are in progress, assigned to a specific person, or due this week. This helps keep your report focused on the information that matters most. You can also group and sort your data to make it easier to read. Grouping by owner, project, or status is a great way to organize large reports and quickly identify trends. Once you're happy with the setup, save your report. It will automatically update whenever the source sheets change, giving you a real-time view of your data without manual updates. That's how to use reports in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.